Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to inspect the element on Mac. So I will be using two browsers here. One is Safari browser and another is Chrome. So let's get started with the Safari browser first. So when you are on a Safari browser, open any website. For example, I have opened youtube.com and you can right click here and you would be able to see inspect element. So if you're not able to see the inspect element here, so that means the developer option is not enabled for you yet. So for that, what you can do is you can go to Safari, and within the Safari menu, go to settings, and within the settings, go to advanced options, and within the advanced, you would be able to see this checkbox called as show features for developers. So just click on that. Once you enable it, you would be able to see these two new tabs appearing, and also there is a develop menu in the menu bar. So once you are done, you can just close this and then right click anywhere on the screen and you would be able to see this new context menu which says inspect element. You can just select that and it will open the developer menu. So here you can see the developer menu, which is very similar to the other browsers. From here you can start your development work. Similarly, for Chrome browser, what you can do is you can just open the Chrome browser, open the website that you want to inspect, and then just simply right click on it, and then you would be able to see this option inspect. So once you are open the inspect, it will automatically open the inspect web developer tool, and here you can just start debugging or do your development work. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.